These are the 5 largest and most beautiful fireworks in the world. Number 3 makes you shake your head. Before entering the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. May you always be healthy and have lots of luck, guys. The first is the Yonsa Kudama fireworks. This firework is one of the single fireworks in the world, weighing up to 420 kilograms with a diameter of 1 to 2 meters and having a very large launch pipe. The eruption itself can reach 800 meters with a diameter of 700 meters. The second is the Malta Fireworks Festival. Fireworks in Malta have a long tradition of expressing joy, and put on incredible displays like the one in this video. The third is the Fireworks Festival in Kamana, Japan. This fire festival lasts almost 2 hours, but this video shows the biggest fireworks at the event. The fourth is a spectacular fireworks explosion in Japan. This fireworks explosion is called the eruption of Mount Merapi, because the explosion soared into the sky. The fifth is the shower of fire. Fireworks are made like a very beautiful shower of fire. See in the video how these fireworks explode. It's very beautiful and very impressive, isn't it? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow other interesting videos.